Tara na po sa office ko, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano maghanap ng employer na nagha-hire talaga ng foreign workers dito sa Canada using Canada's Job Bank website. Okay? Tara! Kumusta po mga kabayan? Ako po ito si Marjorie Quintos, ang inyong immigration consultants sa Mercan Group of Companies. In today's video, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano po maghanap ng work dito sa Canada using Canada's Job Bank website. So, tara sa office ko at ipapakita ko na sa inyo. Hi! So, dito po sa Canada, there are several ways po for an employer to hire a foreign national for them to work for the employer in Canada. One is through the Temporary Foreign Worker Program. Another one is through International Mobility Program. And then the third one is through Provincial Nominee Program. Marami pong iba't ibang paraan. Dahil very common po para sa Filipinos yung Temporary Foreign Worker Program, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano po ba kumukuha ng Labor Market Impact Assessment si employer. So ito nga po yung requirement. Under the Foreign Worker Program po, kailangan munang i-prove ng employer na walang Canadians to fill that position that they are hiring. Bago po mag-apply ng LMIA ang isang employer, kailangan po muna nilang mag-advertise for at least 30 days in Canadian Job Bank website, kung saan doon po nila masasala yung mga applicants inside Canada na mga Canadians or yung mga non-Canadians din, pwede rin pong mag-apply doon. Now, with that job bank, hindi po yun basta-basta pwedeng iset up lang. Marami pong kailangang screening process na pagdaanan ng employer bago sila makapag-open ng job bank account. At the same time, kapag nag-apply na po sila ng LMIA, yung mga results po na nasa job bank account, sinasubmit po nila yun sa Service Canada para po ma-include nila doon sa review nila to show or to prove na yung employer po ay nag-undergo ng process to hire Canadians first. Yung Job Bank Canada po ay isang official na website dito sa Canada na ginagamit po ng mga employer at dapat nilang gamitin para po mag-hire ng foreign worker. So kung may na-receive po kayong job offer from an employer dito sa Canada, you can verify kung legit po yan by going to Job Bank Canada. Okay? So ito nga po, papakita ko sa inyo kung paano po ba mag-try or mag-search ng job at mag-verify din kung ang job ay isang legit na job offer at kung legit man, ano ba yung signal na nagpapakita na ang employer ay talagang mag-hire ng foreign workers. Ito po. Punta ka sa jobbank.gc.ca home.
Right now, I am at Job Bank website. So it's this one, jobbank.gc.ca/home. Ito pong job bank na to is a government-owned website kung saan yung mga applicants po at saka mga employers, they come together para po mag-match po sila. Dito po sa job bank, merong tinatawag na job match. Itong job match po na to, dito na nagtitingin yung employer ng mga applicants nila na pwede nilang i-hire. Yung employer po na nagsasign up for job match, they need to provide their social insurance number, which is a very important identification dito sa Canada. Kaya kung ang employer po ay napunta talaga sa job match, ibig sabihin, seryoso talaga sila to hire an applicant. Yung applicant naman po, kailangan meron siyang express entry account or express entry profile para po sila maging qualified to open a job match na account. Ngayon, paano mo ba gagamitin itong Job Bank Canada para makahanap ka ng mga employer na mag-hire ng foreign workers? Gaya nga ng sinabi ko, kung ang employer po nag-hire ng foreign workers, kailangan po nilang ma-meet yung mga requirements na ganito. Including, dito tayo, unahin natin tong temporary foreign worker in a low-wage position. Yung wage po ng Canada is nabibase din po sa prevailing wage po per province and location. Now, skip tayo dito. Ano ba yung requirements ng employer to get an LMIA for a low-wage worker? Meron silang kailangan na pagdaanan na recruitment phase, which include, like I've mentioned, they have to prove that there's no Canadians to fill the position. In that sense, yan. So, dito, dinidictate ng government na employers must advertise on the Government of Canada's Job Bank. If you choose to use an alternative method, kailangan mo pang mag-explain. Employer, kailangan mag-explain sa government kung bakit ayaw nilang gamitin yung job bank. But most employers, they use job bank to advertise. Okay? Now, in addition to the job bank, kailangan pa nilang mag-advertise in at least 2 additional methods of recruitment para po matarget nila lahat ng audience ng Canadian na applicants. So, kailangan nilang matarget yung mga vulnerable youth, yung mga lone parent youth, mga ganyan. So, kailangan talaga nila rin na mag-advertise talaga in more than one medium. Job bank is just one. Tapos, yung mga provinces like British Columbia, Saskatchewan, and Quebec, meron din silang sariling job bank nila. Ang tawag doon mga provincial job bank. So, open ko dito, open link in new tab. Yan, may Work BC na website. May mga job advertisement din dyan. Saskatchewan website naman, meron din. Nalilink na rin yan dito sa job bank. So, buksan natin ano ba yung job bank. So, ito na nga yung Job Bank Canada. This is government-owned na website. As an applicant, yung mga pwedeng mag-open ng job match account is yung mga applicants lang who have express entry profile. Kung wala kang express entry profile, then hindi ka eligible na mag-create ng job match account. So, for the purpose of people na naghahanap lang ng work, eto, pwede kang mag-type dito, mag-search ka. Halimbawa, you're a cook, and you want to be in Saskatchewan, or just type cook. If you type cook, lalabas po lahat ng mga nag-advertise. Pwede mo siyang i-sort according to date of posting. So, ito, pwede mo i-search dito, isa-isahin mo kung ano yung mga requirements. I wouldn't suggest na punta kayo ng Quebec kasi dito medyo technically kailangan mong French for Quebec. Pero kung sa ibang province, let's say for example, random lang to hindi po natin to gagayahin, parang demonstration lang po ito. Baka naman magalit yung employer kapag bigla kayong nag-apply sa kanilang lahat. Demonstration lang po ito, okay? So, ito, sabi dito, 3 vacancies, pero there's not much detail on the job. So, try natin kung anong makikita natin sa provincial site. According to the site dito sa province, ayan, may job description, tapos merong wages. Ayan, yung wage nila, full-time permanent daw. Kailangan daw nila ng 3. So, the way to apply is if you can send an email to yung binibigay nilang contact details dyan, or call them, or whatnot. Tapos, halimbawa naman, if you are a welder, yan, sort mo rin siya based on date posted para alam mong ano siya, recent. So, ito, this is in Quebec. Try natin. Baka sakali. They have 6 vacancies. So, with these 6 vacancies, it looks like it's, marami talaga silang kailangan. Tapos, at least it's more than 1. 6 is better than 1, diba? But of course, this is Quebec, so kailangan nilang yung may konting French knowledge. Sinasabi dito, kailangan mo ng diploma, 2 years experience, you need to have French. Okay? FR is the code for French. Try nating, nurse. Yan, kapag salary not available, chances are, hindi sila naghahanap ng, ng foreign workers. Ito naman, LPN, kailangan daw nila, pero isang vacancy lang. Ilang libo-libo yung dyan. Pwedeng mag-apply. Diba? Ito naman sa medical orderly daw. Quebec naman to, so kailangan yan ng French. You see? Ontario, this one. Let's see, ilan ba ang hanap nila? 1 vacancy lang din. Puro pa isa-isang vacancy lang. As you can see. But, at least, now you know kung saan kayo pwedeng maghanap, mag-verify ng employer. Halimbawa, may nag-offer sa'yo ng job. Tapos, gusto mong i-verify kung totoo nga yung job offer na nakuha mo. Pwede mo siyang i-verify dito. Kasi ang employer, kung nag-hire talaga, meron po silang dito, advertising dito sa job bank. Try natin Nova Scotia. Yan. Kasi marami raw nag-o-offer sa Nova Scotia according to some people. So, check nyo dito yung mga available na jobs, at kung may nag-offer sa iyo ng job Nova Scotia under AIPP, it's best na check nyo dito. Kasi you would know if ever na legit talaga yung pinag-applyan mo na agency, you will know naman kung sino yung employer. Pero kung sasabihin nilang ihahanap pa lang nila kayo ng employer, but you have to pay and everything and submit your information and all that, you shouldn't, okay? Ito, yung mga available na jobs sa Nova Scotia, i-verify nyo dito yung binibigay sa inyong job offer. And then, I will not stop you from contacting the employers to verify if the job is legit, or if they actually have a job offer, or if they are tied up with this agency that you're working with. Wala pong masama dun kung i-check ninyo. But this time, ayan, madami pong opening, pero paisa-isa. Isa lang, ganyan. Kaya kung papanoorin ninyo yung ginawa kong vlog about AIPP, I always warn people that the program is, it's so easy, pero medyo, ingat po sa mga job offer, okay? Ito pa, so New Brunswick, Newfoundland and Labrador, kasama rin po yan sa Atlantic. Tapos, Prince Edward Island. Yan. So, ito po yung mga search results ng job ads sa Atlantic region. Panoorin mo yung AIPP ko na blog. So, Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, Newfoundland and Labrador, and Prince Edward Island. Ito po yung mga currently na nakapost na ads You can browse on it just to double check kung meron ba talagang job na available para sa inyo. Panoorin nyo pong mabuti yung vlog ko about AIPP para makita nyo yung requirements. Especially, kailangan mo ng work experience related to that job. Hindi pwede yung basta-basta ka lang mag-a-apply. Hindi po pwede yung ganun. Alright? So, for this case, yan, packer, manufacturing, kung 6 lang yan, mabilis lang din yan mapupuno kung meron silang agency. It's just, like I'm telling you, yung mga employers po, when they apply for LMIA or when they apply for designation, yung ads po nila has to run for as long as the LMIA or the designation are in process. So, hindi po ibig sabihin na porket nakapost po sa net dito, hindi pa na-hire or hindi pa napupuno yung manpower requirement nila. Ayan, search ka lang ng search. If you want to send a resume, pwede naman, pero tignan nyo rin yung mga pinagsisendan ninyo. Like for example, this one, sabi pwede ka raw mag-send ng email. Ayan, wala akong yeah, kung gusto mong isa-isahin para po mag-qualify ka or balay mo, makakuha ka ng available for you. Diba?
So, yan po yung tamang paggamit ng Job Bank Canada. Okay? Sana po ay may natutunan kayo at mag-comment po kayo below with your questions at sasagutin ko po lahat yan. So, bali ang pwede pong mangyari is like this. Yung employer, halimbawa nag-apply ka, tapos natanggap ka nila, gusto ka nilang i-hire, tapos yung mga employer kasi minsan hindi sila marunong talaga. It's not their job and it's not their responsibility to apply for a visa. Kaya kung minsan, kung talagang gusto ka talagang i-hire ng employer, paghahanapin ka rin nila ng immigration consultant mo or someone who will process your visa. So if that happens, please contact our office and we will be more than happy to assist you in your visa application. Good luck po sa job hunting. Sana po ay makatisod po tayo kahit papano para at least po makatulong po tayo sa ating families. So, ito po yung mga signals kung paano natin matitignan or madedetect na yung employer po na nag-a-advertise po sa website, sa job bank website, ay nag-a-hire or willing sila or open sila to hiring foreign workers. Kapag po yung advertising ay mayroong mga ganito, complete yung description, pati yung company operating name, business address, title of the position, the job duties, lahat po dapat nandun, the terms of employment, the languages at work, yung wage na i-advertise nila must be compliant with the prevailing wage rates for that position and for that occupation. Tapos, yung location kailangan nandun, yung benefits package dapat nandoon din. Most importantly, employer has to show that they have different ways to be contacted, including contact information, yung phone number nila, email address, yung exact location of employment or the office where they will intake they will conduct the interviews. Dapat po ipakita nila na dun sa advertising nila, lahat po ng gustong mag-apply na Canadians, may access para kontakin sila. So, halimbawa, kung may hearing impairment yung mag-a-apply, they have to be able to write by email. Kung hindi marunong sa computer yung tao, kailangan pwede silang pumunta doon sa place of work para mag-apply in person. So, dapat po lahat po ng ways to communicate with the employer, including kung saan sila matatagpuan, dapat po nasa job bank advertising po nila. Again, this is Marjorie Quintos, ang inyong immigration consultant sa Mercan Group of Companies. Thank you for watching!